I apologize. Well, can't really apologize. My neighbor got to cut his grass, right? Everybody got to cut their grass. So if you hear the lawnmower sound, hopefully I'm loud enough for y'all. Now, I got this little dryer exhaust from Amazon last year. It was black. I painted it gray. And a couple of other accessories that we have coming on our ugly drum. So if you love ugly drum stuff, I will try to make a little playlist and link that playlist into this video, so that way you can just save the playlist, because my channel is not strictly ugly drums. So yeah, sorry if you just landed here if you think I'm just about ugly drums. I'm gonna make a half circle. So what I'm thinking is, this is a rig, all right? This is not like the one from the internet, from Amazon. Amazon actually have its own. I'm gonna make a half moon and then put a screw over this side, and then I have a little lid for this, and then I can move it around. So let me go ahead and make the cut. This thing's making me nervous. I went in the house and got my Chicago circular saw. And if you don't know, this is from Harbor Freight. Chicago brand is in Harbor Freight. Chicago Electric. I feel more comfortable now. And I know. Not battery powered, right? I know. But guess what? Sometimes electric is more power. A little advice to y'all: make sure y'all wear some long sleeves. I got metal shavings all over my arm right here. I'm about to wash my whole arm off. And also, don't touch nothing after you done cutting metal, because you can definitely burn yourself. The goal is to put this in here and have like the flange that's going to be on the top of that exhaust to be able to go around. So y'all see what I'm talking about. It's on regular grills anyway, so you should know what I'm talking about if you're a grill person. Now with this, it comes with this adhesive. Now I'm not sure if this is going to be, it's just foam, it's not really adhesive. It's a little sticky, but not real sticky. But it do have 4 screws in here, so we'll put the 4 screws on just to be on the safe side. All right. And other than that, let me finish off this. So let's lift this up. I'm just gonna smooth it out, you guys. Nothing too serious. I don't even know why I'm worried about the outside of that. It's gonna be covered with the exhaust. I'm just going above and beyond today. All right, you guys. Let me go ahead and finalize this thing. This is my flange for the top. Oh, y'all wasn't even looking. Shame on y'all. Shame, shame, shame. Y'all wasn't looking. I have my little metal drill bit set right here. Well, just one piece, but there was a 3 set. Got it a long time ago. I think it was like 2 years ago on the channel. I try to put a link in the description if Amazon's still selling it. Nope. Oh, it's enough. Now what I need to do is work backwards. I don't know, you guys. I'm messing around. I might get the thing that goes on top. That's actually 4 inches. That way it could go on top of this. But this will do too. So I'm gonna leave it alone like this for now. Like it. I don't like this one. Might find a longer one or something for that. But as far as I know, could take this in and out, and that burnt my damn hand. All right, you guys, that's gonna be it with that. Didn't come out the way I expected, but that will do for now. If I need to take it off, all I gotta do is just lift it up and take it off from the bottom. Other than that, that will be it with that. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.